Hello everyone, Tashidelak. My name is Tenzin. I'm a Tibetan. Today I want to express few words regarding recent viral clip of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. First of all, I want to break it into 3 points. First point, that event happened in February 28, 2023 in Dharamsala, Dalai Lama Temple. That morning, His Holiness Dalai Lama greeted 120 recently graduated Indian college students and members of M3M Foundation in the yard of Dalai Lama Temple in Dharamsala, Himachal Pradesh, India. And let's watch this full video together and then judge it.
Can I hug you? It's a question.
여러분 보셔도 도신 탐나 지기죠. 여러분 보셔도 꿀에 도 탐나 지기는 지기야나서.
가려.
자 여러분 보셔도 탐에 탐 주로나서.
그러나 여러분 보셔도 학쟁이 주기도 학직 전에 지기겠어.
Okay, come. First here. Then I think finally here also. And suck my tongue. Thank you. Thank you. We are same human brothers, sisters. Thank you. Now, you should look those good human beings who create peace, happiness, should not follow those human beings who always killing other people. You should not look these people.
So we have watched this full video together, and now I want to tell you, Dalai Lama was not trying to abuse that boy. If that is what you think, that is because it is what inside your head and your heart. He did that because of love and compassion. And most importantly, he advised to the boy, we are same human brothers and sisters.
Thank you.
Now you should look those good human beings who create peace and happiness. Should not follow those human beings who always killing other people. You should not look these people. This is what he told to the boy. My question is, why these negative people, toxic people, they doesn't have courage. They are so afraid to upload full video of what His Holiness Dalai Lama told to the boy. Why they just want to edit, crop this video so short and separate this all over the world? Why? As we all know, he advocates his entire life the cultivation of warmth, heartedness, and human values such as compassion, forgiveness, tolerance, contentment, and self-discipline. He says that as human beings, we are all the same. We all want happiness and do not want suffering. So my request to you all, please don't judge a book by its cover so easily. Otherwise, toxic and negative people will ruin your happiness, will ruin your entire career and your personal life as well. Thank you.